Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the summaries and synopsis of famous works in literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss Oedipus the King by Sophocles. Introduction. The place of Oedipus the King, also known as Oedipus Tyrannus or Oedipus Rex, in literature is akin to that of Mona Lisa in art. It is quintessential detective story of Western literature, drawing readers and viewers into its enigmas and moral dilemmas. This play presents a nightmare vision of a world turned upside down, where a decent man unknowingly kills his father, marries his mother, and sires children with her. Aristotle in his Poetics highlights the play's ability to evoke horror and pity. Under Sophocles' masterful hands, this ancient tale becomes a profound meditation on guilt, responsibility, order, and the nature of man. The play stands alongside the Book of Job, Hamlet, and King Lear as one of Western literature's most profound examinations of suffering. The enduring influence of Oedipus the King. No other drama has exerted a stronger hold on the imagination than Sophocles' Oedipus the King. Tragic drama centered on the dilemma of a single character largely begins with Sophocles and is epitomized by his portrayal of Oedipus. Aristotle's Poetics supports this view, with Oedipus representing the ideal tragic hero, a man of great repute and fortune whose fall, due to his horrifying discoveries, elicits tragedy's cathartic mixture of pity and terror. The relentless exploration of human nature, destiny, and suffering transforms an ancient tale into a core human myth. Oedipus joins characters like Odysseus, Faust, Don Juan, and Don Quixote in our collective consciousness as paradigms of humanity and the human condition. Historical and cultural context. Sophocles occupies a central position in classical tragedy, seen as the technical master of his age. Born in 496 BC near Athens, Sophocles was an accomplished dancer and lyre player, leading celebrations of the victory over the Persians at Salamis. He served as a treasurer of state, diplomat, and general, and was a lay priest in a local cult. His plays, marked by their balance and tranquility, contrasted with his secure public role and stable private life, challenging assurance and certainty by pitting humanity against inexorable forces of nature and destiny. Sophocles' contributions to drama. Sophocles contributed the third speaking actor to classical drama, creating more complex dramatic situations and deeper psychological penetration through dialogue. He emphasized dramatic action over narration, bringing offstage action onto the stage and emphasizing dialogue rather than lengthy monologues. He replaced Aeschylus's connected trilogies with self-contained plays, establishing the norm of Western drama. His plays are moral and religious dramas, pitting the tragic hero against unalterable fate defined by universal laws, particular circumstances, and individual temperament. The story of Oedipus. The play opens with Oedipus as the capable ruler of Thebes, having solved the riddle of the Sphinx and gained the throne and the queen Jocasta. Plague besets the city, and Oedipus vows to discover and bring Laius' murderer to justice. The play begins as a detective story, with Oedipus as the detective who turns out to be his own quarry. His judgment of banishment for Laius' murderer seals his fate, as he is the source of Thebes' affliction. The blind seer Tiresias reveals that Oedipus is the killer, introducing the play's second mystery, who is Oedipus? The revelation and downfall. Oedipus's relentless pursuit of the truth leads to his downfall. Jocasta, trying to disprove the oracle, provides details that confirm Oedipus's guilt. A messenger from Corinth reveals that Oedipus was adopted and the herdsman confirms Oedipus's birth and Lais' murder. Oedipus's recognition of his identity and guilt, coupled with his reversal of fortune, epitomizes the tragic hero's journey. Stripped of authority, control, and past wisdom, Oedipus endures unimaginable moral shame and a cosmic order devoid of justice and mercy. Conclusion. The play concludes with Oedipus's acceptance of his fate, blinding himself to confirm his moral shame. He endures the revelation of his sin, nature, and fate, demonstrating heroic grandeur in his diminishment. Oedipus's determination to know the truth and accept it sets him apart as one of the most pitiable and admired tragic heroes. The chorus summarizes the play's harsh lesson of heroic defeat, emphasizing the impermanence of good fortune and the inevitability of suffering. Oedipus the King stands as monumental exploration of human heroism in the capacity to see, suffer, and endure. So this was the discussion on Sophocles' play Oedipus the King. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.